No, no, no. These results will kill us. We're gonna die death. Yeah, we're gonna die death. Dobsonville Stadium, Orbit College getting their first win through Letsekwa Peng, scoring late. But Suelele got chances. Christian Saile was just wasteful there in front. Okay, Pirates, how did they do? 2-1 at Marumo Gallants. What's going to happen, guys? Pirates losing their second game of the season at the hands of Marumo Gallants, who are now going top of the log. So what's gonna happen? Is the league gone? Who's gonna stop Sundowns now? Because they won. They beat Amazulu 2-0 at Loftus. Did you guys see that Rainer's volley? Oh wow, that one must be studied. And it looks like Tashrik Matthews as well, also registering himself. I mean, you're not gonna get lots of goals from Sundowns the way they play. It's understandable to get a 2-0. But for Pirates, for losing 2 games in a row, that's not understandable and will never be accepted by any Pirates fan. But I'll say, trust what you